In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate feedback in Relevance AI. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable way to build an agent that generates helpful, consistent feedback grounded in your own guidelines and content. Start by opening Relevance AI in your browser and signing in to your workspace. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar. This is your primary navigation area. From here, go to the Agents section. Agents are the automated assistants you configure to handle tasks like analyzing submissions and producing structured feedback. So this is exactly where we want to work. On the Agents page, look to the top right corner and create a new agent. This opens the Agent Builder. Give your agent a clear purpose and name so it's easy to find later, especially if your workspace has multiple projects. Now define the instructions. This is the heart of your feedback generator. Describe who the feedback is for, what criteria matter most, and the tone you want, supportive, concise, or highly detailed. Spell out the structure you expect, such as headings like summary, strengths, areas for improvement, and next steps. If there's a rubric or scoring method, include how to calculate or describe it. The more specific you are about length, format, and must include points, the more reliable the output will be. You can also reference the audience's level, beginner, intermediate, or expert, so the language matches their needs. When your instructions are set, click Start to progress through the setup. Next, configure triggers. Triggers determine when the agent runs. You can have it fire manually while you refine your process, or attach it to events like new submissions arriving in a dataset or a scheduled cadence. If you're just getting started, choosing a manual or simple trigger makes it easier to test and iterate. Finally, connect knowledge and data. Link the sources that the agent should rely on when generating feedback. Things like your rubric, examples of excellent feedback, product or policy documents, or a dataset of responses to be reviewed. Keep your sources organized and clearly titled so the agent can retrieve what it needs. Use high-quality, up-to-date materials, and avoid including content that shouldn't be referenced. Grounded, relevant knowledge dramatically improves clarity, accuracy, and actionability in the feedback the agent produces. That's it. You've opened Relevance AI, navigated to agents, created a new agent, written precise instructions, clicked Start, set triggers, and connected the knowledge and data it needs. From here, you can iterate on instructions and sources as your criteria evolve and enjoy consistent, scalable feedback generation across your workflow.